Here we go. Everything's got a patch in this freaking box in this case, man. Good luck. We got Ryan Gomes for the Clippers base. Jameer Nelson for the Magic. We're getting a lot of different base cards than we did in the first case. Omri Caspi for the Kings. It was a die cut, BT. It was one of those gold record deals. The Wilt Chamberlain. Stephen Curry for the Warriors. Another Stephen Curry, different kind. Gold Nuggets for the Warriors. The Akeem the Dream, Golden Age for the Rockets. I've seen a couple of his autos on eBay. That'd be sick to pull one of those for somebody. And the last base is Kevin Durant for the Thunder, Gold Stars. Here we go. First hit goes to the Spurs. That's a weird looking jersey.
It is.
Look at that thing.
It is weird looking.
There's like
It's like
there's like some kind of
or something.
there's like some kind of design on the jersey. I don't know. It's like light gray. Tim Duncan, can you see like the different design on the jersey there? I don't know what that is.
Well, what's number 2? Kind of thick.
You can see it. Look at it's like it's got like light gray and white. I don't know what that is.
That's weird.
Maybe that's what their jerseys look like nowadays. I just haven't seen one yet. Tim Duncan.
What's it number 2?
Boom! Rudy Gay! Right in your face, BT. Rudy Gay jersey for the Grizzlies. 22 of 299? 42 of 49. Wow, is he a short print or something? Number to 49. 42 of 49.
How you doing, man? Good, bro.
Wow, 2 cases. Oh, different team. That's weird. 2 cases in a row, same guy. This time it's a different team, and of course, it's removed from the break for the Indiana Pacers. Jalen Rose autograph, number to 199. That is a random.
Last night, dude. Oh yeah, last night. Got back about 5 o'clock to the cabin. We rent a cabin. There's other cabins for rent. Nice cabins, but nobody rented, so we're like the only one on the street.
Sick.
So
Got an old schooler for the Celtics, number to 99. Bailey Howell.
20 beers apiece.
Bailey Howell auto, number to 99.
Good stuff. Dude, this stuff is crazy.
And for the Jazz, there you go, BT. We got this guy in the first case too, number to 199, AK-47, Andre Kirilenko autograph.
Dude, somebody already pulled 2 Kobe autos in the first case. Yeah, this case too. No. In the case from the shop.